Hey everyone, this is Catholic Gifts featuring the items of saintsmarket.com. This item is our Holy Archangels icon, Michael, Gabriel, and Raphael. This icon is priced at $49.95 at saintsmarket.com. Our Greek icon of Saint Michael, Saint Gabriel, and Saint Raphael, the Holy Archangels, show these three commanders of the bodiless host standing side by side. A beautiful piece of traditional religious art to hang in your home or give as a gift. This icon measures 11.5 inches by 10.5 inches. Here is our icon here. Just like our other icons, this is made of the highest quality birch wood material. It's hand finished with a laminate cover on it to prevent dirt and moisture from getting in. Also, like our other icons, it comes with a keyhole here so you can mount it directly to your wall. Thank you for watching, and please visit us at saintsmarket.com. Please tune into our other videos. Thank you.